Tired of subscription services draining your bank account? Today, we're tackling Netflix, and I'll show you exactly how to cancel your membership in just a few easy steps. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open up your web browser and go to the Netflix website, netflix.com, and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon. Click on that. A drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll want to find and click on the account option. This will take you to your account settings. On the account page, scroll down until you see the membership and billing section. Here, you'll find a clearly marked button that says cancel membership. Go ahead and click on that button. Netflix will now try to convince you to stay, but don't give in. You'll be taken to a confirmation page outlining when your cancellation will take effect. Read this information carefully. It will show you the date you'll still have access to the service until. If you're sure you want to cancel, scroll down and click the Finish Cancellation button. Clicking this finalizes the cancellation of your membership. And that's it. You should now see a confirmation screen stating that your subscription has been canceled, along with the date your access will end. You've successfully canceled your Netflix subscription and avoided future charges. You're one step closer to managing those streaming costs. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.